Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, sorry, I paused there, that Instagram just doesn't allow you to post any photos. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. There isn't just one main reason, but typically, if I'm being completely honest, one of the main reasons why Instagram isn't allowing you to post the photos is that you're not connected to a network connection. So, what this means is you're not connected to any internet, Wi Fi, data, all that. You already know how it is. You want to go ahead and connect to one in a stable connection at that. Posting an Instagram photo can take a lot of bandwidth on your phone, and if you're not connected to a good network, it's probably not going to work. So hop into your settings, whether you're on Android, iPhone, your computer, it doesn't matter. And you want to go into your Wi-Fi or cell connection settings and make sure you're connected to a solid network. You can also make your way over to other apps such as Snapchat, so your browser, app store. You want to make sure you're able to load things up, as fast as possible. And then at that point, what you want to do is you want to go back into Instagram and attempt to go ahead and post a photo. Sometimes, and I'll say most of the time, this will probably end up working. If you go ahead and connect to a different network or something, that may actually end up fixing it. Now, let's say you try that and that still doesn't work. The next thing I would recommend doing is to make sure that Instagram servers are not down. So what this means is that Instagram, the app, may have some things going on in the background of this app that are actually affecting it from fully working. Now, you would be surprised how often this happens. This happens at least once a month. And a great way to tell whether Instagram is down or if it's up and running is to look in the comment section of this video, see if people are commenting very fast, like within seconds of each other that Instagram is down, or go on Twitter and see if Instagram is down, is trending on there. Those are very easy ways to go ahead and determine if Instagram is actually down. Most of the time, that's how you would basically tell. And if you do that and Instagram it appears to be down, you can also go on some websites, then there's nothing you can do. You just have to wait until Instagram fixes it. Now, let's say you do that and that still isn't working. There's some final things you can do. You can restart your phone. You can go into the App Store and you can go ahead and update your Instagram app. So you can just type in Instagram like this, go ahead and look at it, go ahead and update it if there's an update available, and you should be able to be good to go. Now again, it may not work for everyone. Most of the time, this is an issue with Instagram servers being down or your network connection. It's either one or the other. If those things don't work, then I would recommend, like I mentioned, restarting or updating your phone and updating the app and see what happens from there. So those are a couple ways to fix it. So if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything I'll sell of every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.